Hi. Hi, girl. There's Luna. Chewing on her bone. Say hi, Luna. Hi. Good girl. And there's one of our other little girls. Yeah, say hi. You want to eat some of Luna's bone? They actually have, the chickens that tried to peck at the bone while Luna's eating it. She's really good with the chickens. The other two are somewhere else in the yard. This is our little baby girl. Hi, honey. Hi, you little cutie. Hi, cutie. What a beautiful girl you are, huh? Both of the little girls are so cute. Love you guys. Love you.